Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make best flan easy guide. Start by preheating the oven to 325 degrees F and preparing a caramel by melting sugar until amber, then pour it into a round baking dish. Whisk eggs with sugar, warm milk, and vanilla gently to avoid foam. Strain the mixture and pour it over the caramel, then bake in a water bath until set and slightly jiggly. Gather ingredients and measure precisely to ensure a reliable flan every time. Use whole milk or a milk and cream mix for creaminess, and use large eggs for consistent structure. Warm the milk gently with sugar so it dissolves completely before tempering eggs. Strain the custard for clarity and use pure vanilla for flavor depth. Proper portioning creates the perfect custard texture and balanced sweetness in every slice. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more easy dessert guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle shown helps you stay hydrated while cooking or carrying a finished flan to share, and it makes a fun kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Master a few simple techniques to transform ingredients into silky flan. Create an amber caramel and pour it into the mold before adding custard. This gives that signature glossy top. Temper eggs by slowly whisking warm milk into them to avoid scrambling. Strain the mixture to remove air bubbles, then bake in a water bath at a steady temperature until the center still jiggles slightly when nudged.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.